guys, it's Chloe here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today guys, as the title suggests, it is time. I am going to be dyeing my hair for the first time ever. I've never dyed my hair ever in the past. I was never allowed to when I went to school and stuff like that. But now I'm an adult, my parents are like, do what you want. Today I will be dyeing my hair. I have read a little bit online about what to do, certain advice and tips. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I don't completely mess up my hair. That won't be good. Whether this turns out great or not, I still plan on posting the video because I think it'll be a great laugh. It won't be a great laugh at the time, but later I think it'll be a great laugh. Join me as I destroy my hair with hair dye. So yeah, let's go. Right guys, so this is the kit. So you get the ammonia, you get the colorant, you get the conditioner, the instructions on what to do, some gloves, and this is the color I am going for. I'm turning it like an auburn color. I'm hoping it'll turn out alright, but yeah. We shall soon see. My mum is going to give me a hand, you know, with the chemicals and all that, and applying it. She doesn't want to be on camera, so I might just do it as a quick time lapse. This is the plan. So we don't need the conditioner just yet. We just need to start by mixing these two together, and then we can snap the top off, and away we go. So yeah, let's do it. Hello guys, glasses Chloe here, well, glassesless Chloe here, and the dye is just going on the hair now. My mum's going to apply it for me. It stinks. It stinks very weird. You enjoying this? It smells. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Is it working? Oh god. Here we go. Ooh, here we go. Does it look good or not? Now remember, no, cover my nose and mouth. How tempting it will be. 11:22.
Right, we'll check it at 22.
Yeah.
Just to see how dark it is, because I get the feeling this one will, you don't want your hair too dark.
Just bright purple. Oh god. Right guys, hair dye is in, and yes, I'm wearing a plastic bag over my head. It looks a bit weird. Researched by watching a few YouTube videos and doing some research online that when you put a plastic bag over your head, it helps the colour. Hang on, I've got a definition here that I found online. I researched, should I put a bag over my hair when dyeing it? And the response I got was, the answer is yes, you should always cover your hair when you dye it. If you want your hair to absorb the dye's pigment, you want the dye to have an even covering. Your best bet is to cover your hair. If you don't cover it, you run the risk of the colour setting in unevenly. Don't want that to happen. So that's why I'm wearing a bag on my head, and I'm also wearing the bag on my head because your head makes heat, like your scalp makes heat, and the heat aids the colour. It aids it. So it goes on, it activates I don't know whether it's like it activates your hair pigments or it activates the colour pigments. I think it's the colour pigments in your hair, so it absorbs the colour into your hair. But yeah, someone will probably correct me. I know nothing. For all I know, the internet could be trolling me and just telling me to wear a bag on my head. Either way, I look fabulous. Also, I researched that you're not supposed to wash your hair for like a couple of days before you dye your hair, so that the natural oils are in your hair. and that way the dye doesn't damage your scalp, because when you wash your hair, I think it's like your fingernails, they leave little scratches on your scalp. The dye could get in them and irritate it. I haven't washed my hair in about 2 or 3 days, so yeah, I should have plenty of natural oils on my hair, because my hair is like quite a greasy hair anyway. So yeah, it only takes like a couple of days before my hair starts looking like horrible greasy. Yeah, I will check in on you guys when I have washed this out, and you guys will get to see the final result. So yeah, I'll see you then. Okay guys, are you ready to see the end result? Okay, you ready? Ta-da! It's gone more red than auburn. I love it. It looks so good. It was easy. My hair feels amazing. It's so silky smooth now, my hair. It's beautiful. I love it. My dad doesn't even know I'm doing this yet, so there could be some chuntering from my dad later, but I love it. It looks great. My mum said it looks great as well. I feel amazing. My hair still feels amazing. Dyeing my hair for the first time, I would call it a success. At least it turned out the colour it was meant to be. Yeah, look at this. Oh yeah. Look at this. Let me get some close-up shots of my hair for you, so you can have a closer look. This is the new me for the next couple of weeks, or maybe permanent. Maybe I'll keep this hair colour, I don't know. Anyway, that was dyeing my hair for the first time. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys have, please leave a massive thumbs up. Leave some beautiful comments down below. Let me know what you think. Have you ever dyed your hair before? Did I do a good job? Do you want to give me some advice? I would appreciate everything. And if you haven't yet already, please hit that beautiful subscribe button. As I am filming this, we are at 640 beautiful and fabulous subscribers. So thank you guys so much for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all you beautiful people next Monday for another video. Bye guys!